Hi dear students, welcome back to Sugamathszone. In this video, we are going to see the figure it out question for 1.4 subtopic. The first figure it out question is, can you find a similar pictorial explanation for why adding counting numbers up and down? That is 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and so on. Gives square numbers. So in this question, you have to know about the counting numbers. So you already know about the counting numbers. Counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. It will go on. This is the counting numbers. So the question is why we are adding the counting numbers up and down, what we get. So up and down means first add the numbers 1, then you have to add the number as 2 and then again add the number as 1. Okay, first I am adding the 1, so I will get the 1, then 1 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, this is up direction 1 and 2, then down direction means again I am adding the 1, so I am getting the 4, then again it go up to 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3, then again down direction plus 2 plus 1, so I am getting the 9. And again 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Then again down direction. 3 plus 2 plus 1. So I am getting the 16s. In this you can see that the middle of the number is here 2 and here 1 plus 2 and here 2 plus 1. So the middle of the number is 3. Here 4. So you can square these number only. So this is 2 square and this is 3 square. And this is 4 square. Okay, we can make the pictorial formations for this. So here 1 dot, here 2 means, so you have to make the square formation for, write this. So the diagonal dots are 2 and here 3 square means 9. So the diagonal part is 3 and here 4 square, 16. You have to make sure that the diagonal part is middle of the number. The next question is, by imagining a large version of your picture or drawing it partially as needed, can you see what will be the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, and it goes up to 99 plus 100, then again it goes to down direction 99 plus 3 and plus 2 plus 1. So you can see that the middle of the number is 100. So you have to make sure that the diagonal parts of the dots should be 100. Okay, the diagonal parts of the dots should be 100. Just I am draw the dots roughly. Here 1 dots, then again 2 dots. Okay, then again 3 dots, then 4 dots, and it goes to up to 5 dots, 6 dots, 7 dots, like that it will go on, and the diagonal parts should be 100 dots. Then again it goes to down direction. So here 4 dots, 4 dots, then again 3 dots, then again 2 dots, then 1 dots. Okay, so the diagonal part of the dots should be 100. So you have to make the square formations for the middle of the number. So 100 square. So 100 into 100, we get the 10,000. The next question we can divide into 2 parts. So the first part of the question is, which sequence do you get when you start to add the all one sequence up? When we are adding the all one sequence up direction, what numbers we get? So we have to know about the all ones. All ones means all number is ones, 1, 1, 1, 1, and it goes up to 1. It will go to 1. So when we are adding the numbers up direction, what we get? Up direction means it move to next one, next number. Okay, so just I am adding the first number. So 1, I am getting the 1 only. Then again I am adding the another number, 1 plus 1, I'll get the 2. Then again it goes to next one. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. I'm getting the 4. Then again it goes to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. I'm getting the 5. Okay. When we are adding the all ones in up directions, we get the counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get the counting numbers. So we can write that when we are adding the all one sequence up directions, we get the counting numbers. So the next part of the question is, what sequence do you get when you add all one sequence up and down? So the first part question is up directions. So the next part of the question is up and down directions. Up and down directions, we already see the last question. So up and down direction means it goes up direction and the down directions. Okay. We can say that the first is 1. We get the 1. Then again up directions. 1 plus 1. Then down direction plus 1. I'm getting the 3. Okay. Next move to up direction. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 ones. Then again down direction 2 1. So I'm getting the 5. Then again 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 ones. Then again down direction is plus 1. 3 ones. So I'm getting this 7. So you can see that this is the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. So you can write the second part of the question is, when we are adding the all one sequence up and down, we get the odd numbers.
In our next video, we will see the next figure it out question. Thank you. Thanks for watching.